Hi, this is Anoop for anmStudio. In this video, we will discuss about how to increase the browsing speed of Google Chrome. Yes, by using some simple techniques, you can increase the browsing speed of Google Chrome easily. So, stay tuned. So, for doing this, first of all, open the Google Chrome. The first tip is you have to update your Google Chrome to the latest version. So, we will explain how to do it. So, go to the top right corner and select help and select about Google Chrome and just click that, and you can see checking for update option right here. By using this one, just update the Google Chrome to the latest version. Only that it will increase your browsing speed. Second one is remove the unwanted extensions. Unknowingly or knowingly you install lot of extensions. Suppose if you install 10 more extensions to a Google Chrome, it will cause the slowdown of Google Chrome browsing. So we'll check how to do that. For that, go to the top right corner and just click on the option right here and select the module option right here and select the extension right here. And you can see number of extension which you installed in Chrome browser. You can see here. Just remove the button by clicking the remove option right here. That way you can remove the extensions. I recommend that if you don't need any extension, please remove all extension, which will help to increase your browsing speed. And the third one is, when you are closing the Google Chrome browser, you are really meaning that you are just closing all this process. But in Google Chrome, from the default settings, it may run in background. So for avoiding that, go to the top right corner and click here and go to settings and just go to the advanced option at the top, so bottom, click advanced and go to system options. And you can see one option called continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Just disable that, which will help to close the Google Chrome browser when it's actually closed. It will run on the background. And the next tip is, that's why some using some flag extension method, which is I will explain by showing the screen. That way, first for that, go to the flags option. For that, just type Chrome and /flags flags, right, put enter, and you may reach the site look like this. So it's a warning there, which means if you change any settings here, it will affect your Google Chrome. That's why you please very careful by doing these changes. What I change here only, please do to change that. You don't change any other option. It will reversely affect your Google Chrome browsing speed. The first one I suggesting you is experimental canvas features. Put it as enabled. I already put it enabled, which helps to increase your loading time and it will help the performance of your Google Chrome browser. And second one is the fast tab window close, which means the tab, if you are opening a new window or opening a new tab, the speed will increase. So just put it as enabled. And the third one is the number of raster threads. For that, just click the Ctrl+F option right here. You can search what is required here, which means number of raster threads. You can see number of raster threads right here. Just put it as maximum 4. Why we are putting 4 in the number of raster thread, which means you will see that some pages have some photos to load. So this will help to faster render the images on the website. For example, you can see Wikipedia page is loading faster than other website. It's because in Wikipedia most of them are text only. It will load very fast rather than a website which having lot of photos. For rendering the faster the images, by doing number of raster threads into 4, it will helps. Next one is the scroll anchoring, which means when you are opening a website, you may saw that some ads are playing automatically. You are not selecting anything, but the web ads are starting playing. So for avoiding that, just enable the scroll anchoring button right here. Just enable that and you will close all the ads while a page opening. And next one is the parallel downloading. For searching any option, just put Ctrl+F and just type the I am set parallel downloading. You can see here and just put as enable, which helps your download speeds much higher. Just try it put this enable and just see the download speed before and after. So this is some tips may help you increasing the, it will helps to increase the browsing speed of your Google Chrome. So if you find any difficulty regarding this video, please comment in this comment section, or there is a video description, there is my Facebook page is there, you can comment there also. If this video is helpful, please thumbs it up and share it to your friends also. So please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. So thank you so much guys watching this video. I am your Anoop. I am signing off.